Homvana Hybrid Ultrasonic Smart Humidifier, 6.5 liters, 72 hours. So advanced smart control, 72-hour continuous moisture, 861 square feet or 80 meters, adjustable mist and humidity levels, and of course download things. So hi guys, let's open this one. And I must. Solid you. Meron ba dito? What we have, unit and plastics. Okay, nothing inside. Put it down. So here it is inside here. And the unit. Unit, outlet, and dispense. So let's open this one. Although there's a tear here, but manual. Quick start guide. For the app, scan barcode, seal, blah blah blah. Amazon Pharmacy app. Then I think these are the filters. Okay. So we have 4 of this. Oops. 3 of this and 2 of this and 1. Sorry guys, ito pala. So this is the front. Sorry. This is the front. Unfortunately, what I'm showing you is the back side. So one, place the humidifier on the level and waterproof surface. Remove the tank cover and fill the tank with water, caution, and then replace the tank cover, place the water tank back to the base. Okay, let's do these things. Optionally, for doing aromatherapy, pull out the aroma box and add 2 to 3 drops of essential oil on the pad and put back. And we have some therapy or aromatherapy later. We'll try that one and on and off. Okay. Aromatherapy box is on this side. Have to 2 to 3 drops later. And let's see, remove the tank. Oh, so here's the cover of the tank. Remove tank. So we can remove it. Okay, we'll Turn it around. I'll turn it around for you guys. Okay. See below. The side. And this is what is inside of everything. There's a sticker here. Add essential oils into the water tank. Do not add. So no essential oils. Allow water or essential oils into the mist tube. So it's gonna be here. So we don't have to lock this thing. Like I said to you earlier, this is where we are placing the sorry about that, tubes or the aromatherapy. 3 drops, 2 to 3 drops. Okay, place the water here, guys. I'm gonna make it full. Then we're gonna try to plug it in. Before I forget, place back the leads again. Just like this. Version looks like this. And here's the light of my son. Okay, let's plug it in. Oh, by the way, if you would like some soy wax candles, I'm selling it at shopdyshop.com. That's my candle product. So this is very vanilla, watermelon, just in case. Turn on. And that's it. That's all, folks. Next video, I'm gonna try to navigate things for you. And I'm waiting for the mist, and there's no mist. Anyway, bye guys. As you can see, it's adjusting the percentage of humidity. Anyway, I'm gonna explore it next time, but so far, waiting for the mist. And none is coming, so maybe after some time. Sorry guys, I haven't totally read the manuals, but I'm gonna get back on this. Okay, next video. And yep, there is some mist. I have to open the cup, and it's just, or it takes around a few minutes before it actually make a mess. Okay.
Wow.
Yep. Here you go. So you can see there goes the mist.